Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone. This is a really useful feature that can come in handy in many different situations, whether you want to record a tutorial for your followers or save a video that you can't download. First, let's go to the control center. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen if you have an iPhone 10 or newer. If you have an older model, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Next, find the screen recording button. It looks like a circle with a dot inside. If you don't see it, you might need to add it to your control center by going to settings control center customize controls. Once you've found the screen recording button, just tap it once to start recording. You'll see a 3-second countdown before the recording begins. While you're recording, you can do pretty much anything on your phone and it will be captured in the video. When you're done recording, just tap the red bar at the top of the screen and confirm that you want to stop recording. Your screen recording will now be saved to your Photos app. From there, you can edit it or share it however you like. And that's it. Screen recording on your iPhone is really that easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any other questions about using your iPhone, let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.